Ancient God, the mighty Creator, that has equally created men and women alike in your image. Before we were made into the beings that we see ourselves today, where we were the mere dust with no shape nor breath, you made a woman in your own image as you did with a man. Today, the very man has turned against your other creature, woman. Women are brutally killed in the country that we grew up, know yet as the country of peace. Today, it has turned against the very principles of the founder of the nation, King Moshoeshoe, who declared peace as his sister. Merciful God, show us where the Basotho nation has gone. Teach us to correct the wrongdoings of our generation, of our ancestors and of our posterity. For we are born into the earth, not neither to kill nor to destroy your creation. Merciful God, you did not create your earth as sinful as it is proclaimed, but the product of your creation in the name of man, tainted and tempered with the creation that you designed and made with pure affection and intentions. Hear us, O God. Women of the South are looking upon you to save them. Women of the South are looking upon you to protect their children. Women of the South are looking upon you to guide them. Women of the South are looking up to you for strength. Women of Africa marching and hailing unto you to receive answers to restore the earth that has been dismantled by the hands and mind of